Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the exact item labeled Tarnished Deepwoken and ensuring your save or loadout is backed up. Once confirmed, open the inventory, select the Tarnished Deepwoken, and choose the cleanse option if available. You must have one cleanser item equipped or in your resources. This is the reagent that reverses tarnish chemistry. Make sure to clear nearby actions so the process won't be interrupted, and check cooldown timers. Now you apply the cleanser and initiate the reaction. Click Use, then watch the progress meter fill. As you work, use any available ability or tool boosts to accelerate the chemical reversal. These increase reaction rate by roughly 25% and reduce failure chance. Once started, make sure you remain in a safe zone to avoid damage or forced logout, because interruptions can corrupt the cleanse and waste your reagent. Finish by confirming the item now shows restored or similar status. You should see improved stats immediately. If the cleanse fails, do not panic. Log out and back in, check inventory space, and retry with a fresh cleanser while minimizing server lag. One key troubleshooting tip: if interruptions are recurring, move to a low-latency server or safe zone before attempting again. This prevents mid-process disconnects that cause cleanse failures and reagent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.